Quick question, would you rather have the newest iPhone, or $500 that could save your butt when life goes sideways? Yeah, I thought so. Here's the thing, it's never the big disasters that wreck people's budgets. It's the small stuff. A flat tire. A busted washing machine. Today I'm showing you how to build an emergency fund fast, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Let's go. First, let's kill a myth right now. You do not need thousands of dollars sitting in a bank account to be prepared. Most emergencies aren't Hollywood movie disasters. They're annoying, everyday stuff: a dead car battery, a dentist bill you didn't see coming. And here's the real win, even a small cushion means you're not reaching for a credit card at 24% interest. That's the actual goal here. Okay, point 1, start small. Stupid small. Forget 6 months of expenses. That's overwhelming, and honestly, it's why most people never even start. Instead, aim for your first $500. That's it. Why $500? Because it's actually doable, and once you hit it, something clicks, you get momentum. Small wins keep you in the game. Big, scary goals just make people quit before round 1. Point 2, make it automatic. Set up $10 or $20 to move into a separate savings account every payday. Automatically. You won't even miss it, trust me. But check back in a few months. You'll be shocked at what's piled up. Because here's the secret nobody tells you, showing up consistently beats saving big once in a blue moon. Every time. Point 3, and this one's fun, cut one expense and redirect it straight to savings. Let me tell you about my buddy. Guy used to buy coffee every single workday. Switched to making it at home instead. Saved about $25 a week, no big deal, right? A year later? Over $1,000 in his emergency fund. No raise. No side hustle. Just one small swap. Look, an emergency fund isn't going to make you rich. But it will stop a small problem from turning into a full-blown financial disaster. If this helped, hit subscribe for more no-nonsense money tips. And I want to know, drop it in the comments, what's your first goal? $100? $500? $1,000? Tell me below.